y'all can hear me or not, but I'm in church, my church service. It's my church service. That's how I talk to God, bro. Every day, man. Get out in nature. Nature. I'm sold on my journey that if you're ever seeking any type of confirmation or existence of spirit or God or infinite intelligence, Father, Mother, God, go outside in nature and sit. Listen to the birds. Watch the grass grow. Actually, watch the grass die. Watch it replenish. Watch it come back to life. Watch stages happen in nature that happen within us because we're a part of nature. But we so easily forget. You can't forget when you're here, though. Oh, trespassing. Ooh, I'm trespassing.